Alex Karuhango wa Mahe owidara rya private okurwa mu nkambi ya Rugazi kandi enzarwa ya Rushango muri Kabambiro Kamwenge niwe yatangaza buri gomwe bwa nyuma y'abakugo mu kutoza omukitongore cha police ababa bashendekerezibwa ba counter terrorism okujumbura embundu y'ekika cha pisto omunjuye
chogamba totegera wawo wateka wali
oguyashangwa yine ebijwaro byinji bya Mahe ebyari kutebezebwa kubabire nakoreso mbehenda biragiro.
But once we got the printouts locating the suspect in Rugazi, we inquired from the aviation. Then we were told that the suspect we were looking for stole a gun. So we didn't know the intentions and what, and that he was an armed officer. He said the gun I have it. Where is it? That I kept it in my home.
Owa Mahogu nagambwa kuba yibire pisto eji ahari munywani wo police Owino Florence oli police constable police ya aviation Kigungwe Entebbe ahabero munano kwa kabiri omwaka ogu.
It's like when we were together he saw she had guns outside, he picked up the gun and took off. We asked him the motive of stealing the gun. He refused to tell us, and we recovered like 2 pairs of army uniform.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Timose Mushabi.